Hello, everyone. Just an update on the Menendez brothers. As of March 24th, which is today, Lyle and Erik Menendez, convicted in 1996 for the 1989 murders of their parents. They are still seeking their resentencing based on new evidence, which was alleging the SA by their father. Okay, now there has been a bit of a tangle in this mishap, as usual. Los Angeles County District Attorney Nathan Hochman has withdrawn a motion for resentencing, stating he would reconsider if the brothers sincerely and unequivocally admit to their crimes and previous falsehoods. So this more or less seems like, to me, like it's a kind of a control thing, more or less. It's not about justice, because that is not what justice is about. In response, the Menendez family held a rally on March 20th, rejecting Hochman's stance and asserting that any inconsistencies in the brothers' past statements were due to trauma and fear, which is absolutely understandable. California Governor Gavin Newsom has directed the Board of Parole to conduct a risk assessment for the brothers' clemency application, with the parole board hearing anticipated in June. So even though I know everyone has their own personal feelings about the Menendez brothers, and I try to be the biased party in all of this, something to consider is these individuals have been in there for 35 years, and despite the fact that they did commit this gruesome crime, they remember that prison, jail, what have you, is about rehabilitation. So from the records, they have an exemplary record, so they have not been in trouble. They actually participate in many different contributing volunteer services and so forth in prison. So they're actually benefiting society in a sense. So they've had no problems in 35 years. That is way above and beyond, because personally in prison, you don't have to be looking for trouble to get trouble. So that is absolutely, I really can't explain how outstanding that is. And we have to consider here their statement about what has occurred to them with their father. So that is a very crucial aspect of all of this. So have they rehabilitated? Because that's what prison is supposed to be about, right? Prison and jail, things like that, are all about rehabilitation. And in some senses, some people can't be rehabilitated, but in this instance, that is not the case. Absolutely not. And their guidelines and assessments will prove that, and clearly they have. I'm very familiar with criteria of the assessment and so forth, working in the legal field in different aspects. Now, the case will continue to evolve, of course, with upcoming legal